everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. If you watch my videos regularly, you know that I usually upload 3 videos a week, and at least one of them is typically an unboxing. You might have noticed that last week I did not have an unboxing video, and you might have thought maybe that was because of the fitness challenge that I have going on, and I have so many videos for that, but it wasn't. I was expecting Imperfect foods last week. And if you remember, I tried Imperfect foods before. That video is actually linked down below. It was kind of a disaster. But I decided that I should give them another try because maybe that was a fluke. Well, here's what happened with this order. So I was supposed to have received this last Monday. This is Tuesday. So I was supposed to have received this 8 days ago. On October 2nd, on the Friday, I received a notice that I could shop, which means basically I could customize my box and take out what I didn't want and put in what I did want. So I went and I did that on October 2nd, the Friday, before the Monday that I was supposed to receive the order. I was charged for what I bought on that Sunday, October 4th, but then nothing came. And on Wednesday, October 7th, I received an email saying that my order was delayed until October 9th. 10 minutes later, I got an email that said my order's on its way. And this was actually the second time I got that email, because I had gotten one of those on, I think, the Sunday before the Monday I was supposed to get the order. So I remember checking and thinking, like, where's my tracking number? But no one told me anything until Wednesday. So it should have come on Monday. I didn't find out until Wednesday that I wasn't getting my order until the following week. Now, right after I got that, I received an email about an hour later with Imperfect Foods sending me a notice that they're increasing the delivery fees and the minimum order. Okay, so now not only are they telling me that my order is delayed, but that they're going to be increasing prices. Fine. On Thursday, October 8th, I got another email, and it said that my order was delayed again, and that I would receive it on October 12th. Now, today is October 13th, so it's even a day later than what they told me it was going to be. And then, but wait, there's more. On Sunday, October 11th, so this past Sunday, I got an email telling me a bunch of things that I had in my order that I had shopped for when I was customizing the box are not coming because they're out of stock. Well, I'm sure they are out of stock because it took you a really long time to get the order out. Now they're saying it's because they're understaffed. But I'm really disappointed with this because I've had no vegetables for like the last 5 days. And if you know anything about me, you know I really like to have vegetables in the house, right? I mean, it's part of a nutritious diet. And I didn't want to go buy vegetables because I wasn't really sure when this was coming. And I paid for it a week and a half ago. So they've basically had my money tied up for a week and a half. And right now, for everybody, I'm sure, money's pretty tight. So if somebody's already charged me for something, I can't very well necessarily go and buy something else until that gets here. The other thing is, I also have Farm Box Direct coming this week as well, because this was supposed to be last week. And I'm trying out all these different services, so trying to figure out which is the best one so I can recommend it to all of you, but also so you can see what the experience is like. So now I'm going to have more than I need, except for, apparently, I'm not going to have peppers, mushrooms, pears, lemons, apples, carrots, or radishes from Imperfect Foods. That's at least what it said in the email. So, before we get this box open and find out what's exactly inside, if you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and then tap the bell icon right next to it. And if you're not new here and you watch these videos but you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and get that out of the way. All right, let's get this box open. Oh, and the box just reminded me because it says, let us know what you make with your order. Tag us on Instagram at Imperfect Foods. I did want to say that the last unboxing video I did for Imperfect Foods, I posted that everywhere, as I normally would do. And I tagged Imperfect Foods in it. And they clearly didn't either read the description, the title of the video, or watch it, because they just liked it and said, thanks so much for joining the family. And I guess they didn't realize that I was unboxing a chicken that had expired over a month before the date I was opening it. And I was not at all happy. So maybe, you know, this company needs some work. Just saying. Okay, so here is the inside of the box. They have used some packaging. Doesn't look like there's an awful lot in here, though. All right, let's take it out and see what we have. We have some green leaf lettuce, hydroponic, but it looks a little sad. It doesn't look really fresh. You know, I'm kind of down on this before I even open it because of the whole experience with their shipping. So, trying not to be a downer, but have some snap peas. These look okay, and they're nice and cool. Some scallions. These look a little not so great. I think this was supposed to be frozen. There's no expiration date on this. Why? Why do they do this? I have some Norwegian salmon that looks like it was frozen and has defrosted. And the reason I'm saying that is because there's a lot of liquid in here, and that usually happens when salmon is frozen and then defrosts. There is no expiration date. There's a lot number. It says once thawed, consume within 48 hours. So I don't know when it was thawed, but I can tell by looking at this, it was definitely frozen. And I don't know how long it's been defrosted. So I am not going to eat this, and I'm going to complain. Same thing with this. Boneless, skinless chicken breast. There is no expiration date on it. But again, because of the amount of liquid in here, I'm going to say that this was frozen and has defrosted. But I don't know how long it's been defrosted. And ground turkey. Use or freeze by 6/24/2021. Have you ever seen an expiration like that on turkey? I'm so confused. Oh my goodness. Use or freeze by June 24th, 2021. How could that be shelf stable for like a year? Or refrigerated for a year? I'm very confused. Some provolone cheese. This should be fine. January 7th, 21. Some shredded cheddar cheese from Tillamook. The reason I like this is because there's the least amount of additives. A lot of times with shredded cheese, they put cellulose in it to keep it separate. And cellulose is a wood byproduct, you know, wood pulp byproduct. I don't really want to be eating that. I don't always want to shred my own cheese either. So that's why I got this. Well, there were grape tomatoes in this. You cannot make this up. Like, I really don't understand how this company is even surviving right now. I mean, really. I've got 3 pieces of meat over here, chicken, salmon, and turkey, none of which I'm going to eat because I don't trust them. Because 2 of them don't have expiration dates and look like they've been previously frozen and probably should have arrived frozen. And this has an expiration date of next June, which makes absolutely no sense at all. I have never seen turkey. This is a very strange order. Okay. Some hot chocolate. Figured I'd try it. I mean, I didn't really need that. That was like one of those things I threw in. Here are the grape tomatoes. Some russet potatoes. These are on the small side. But at least we got them. So, I mean, at this point, just getting produce is probably... Chocolate-covered cashews, hazelnuts, and almonds. And I'm going to say that everything in here kind of has a coating from this other stuff. Ugh. There's just tomatoes all over the bottom of the thing. And then some more lettuce. I mean, I'm not really impressed with this. Okay, guys. So I am really bummed about this whole order. In my opinion, this is even worse than the first order I placed with Imperfect Foods. Have you had a good experience? If you've had a good experience with Imperfect Foods, leave me a comment. Right down below. Tell me what your experience is. If you haven't had a good experience with Imperfect Foods, leave me a comment about that too. Is it just me? Like, how does this company operate this way? And that's all that was in here, because all the other stuff, and really mainly vegetables that I actually needed, I was told after the fact I wasn't getting them. So I didn't get much, and I'm going to be complaining about the salmon, the chicken, and the ground turkey, because I'm not going to eat any of that, and that's kind of a bummer. But looks like it's been frozen, looks like it's thawed, based on the liquid content in there. And there's no expiration date, except the one that says June. Next June, which, this is October. How is turkey still good by next June? Like, I really don't understand. If you know, let me know. Leave me a comment down below. So, if I'm bummed out about this, you guys are probably really bummed out about this. What do you think? Should I even ever bother to try Imperfect Foods again? I mean... Wow. So remember, I do usually, as long as the company's reliable, at least one unboxing video a week, and I have other video content as well, and we just started the 14-day beginner fitness challenge for those of you that are interested in that. It's free, and there's a link in the description down below. If you like my videos, please hit that subscribe button, and then the bell icon right next to it. Thank you for watching. This is Amy. I'll see you real soon. Bye!